Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally sharing my summer hair care routine with you guys. In the summertime, I really like to switch to lighter products that aren't going to be as heavy on my hair. I usually like to wash my hair about once or twice a week, and before washing, I always like to put some sort of scalp treatment on. Today I'm using my own DIY scalp treatment, but sometimes I like to use a store-bought one as well. I like to leave the scalp treatment on for at least a few hours, and I also like to put one on my ends, but today I'm going to be showing you one that I like to do in the shower. First, I'm going in with my shampoo. I've recently started using this one from Organics, and they're silicone-free, sulfate-free, and I really enjoy other products from the brand, so I thought I would try these out. I like to shampoo my hair twice. So first I start shampooing the top or front of my head, and then I rinse that out, and then I will go ahead and shampoo the underneath and back part of my hair. I just find that this gives my hair a much better clean, and it helps me to prolong the time in between washes, and I just find that it's a lot easier to get oil treatments and masks out of my hair as well. Before applying a mask or conditioner in the shower, I try to wring out as much water as I can. The mask I'm using this week is the Intensive Mask from Kalia. I really like this mask. It's super hydrating, even though the consistency is really runny. I usually avoid masks like that because I don't find that they're hydrating enough, but this one's honestly one of my all-time favorites, and I just like to apply this to the ends and length of my hair. Then I just go ahead and really gently tie it back just to keep it out of the way while I do other shower things, and I like to leave masks like this in for about 5 to 10 minutes if I can. Then I like to go in with my regular conditioner after I've rinsed out the mask. This part is really important because it helps to lock in all the moisture from the mask, and at the end I always rinse out my conditioner and do a final rinse with cold water just to help prevent any frizz and keep my hair looking super shiny. After the shower, I think it's really important to go in with a good leave-in conditioner. My all-time favorite is this one from Organics. It's the Sweet Pea leave-in conditioner. I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't send these products to me. I just really like their products and I use them all the time. So I really like this leave-in because it's super lightweight, so I can spray it all over my hair and it won't leave my hair feeling greasy or weighed down. This really helps to just keep moisture in my hair in between washes, help detangle, and help add shine. Then I like to add a few drops of oil to my ends. On this day I was using the Rose Hair Elixir from the Innate Life. This just really helps to keep my hair hydrated and frizz-free in between washes, and keeping your ends moisturized will also help to prevent breakage. If I don't go in with the Rose Hair Elixir, I like to use pure macadamia or pure argan oil instead. All these oils are really lightweight and they just help to keep my hair really soft and shiny in between washes. That's all I do after the shower. I don't brush my hair until it's 100% dry. In between washes, I do like to use dry shampoo if my hair is really oily, and I use the Kaya Naturals dry shampoo. I forgot to film a clip of it, but I will have it linked down below for you guys. And like I said before, I do like to go in with oil on my ends in between washes as well. And I only brush my hair once it's 100% dry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!